some worksheets that are asking kindergartners to do some addition. And as you can see, this is asking them to do it on a very abstract level. So we would like to suggest some ways of doing some addition in a way that is concrete.
So one of the ways you can do addition in a concrete way is to play war, but by turning over 2 cards at a time. So addition war. And
these cards only have aces, 2, 3, 4, and 5 because we're really wanting kindergartners to get proficient in adding up to 10.
Up to 10.
So we also have 10 counters here so that we can check if we have any questions about it.
Are you ready?
And we're going to turn over 2 at the same time just to make this even more challenging.
Ready?
Mm-hmm. So now I have to add my 4 and 2. And Veronica?
I have to add my 2 and my 5.
So I go 1, 2, 3, 4.
2, 3, 4, 5,
6.
So
let's see. I have 6, and that's a lot, but not enough. Veronica won this round.
I have more.
So I am going to give her my cards, and then take these back.
You could even take it to the next level and say, how many more do I need?
We could do that.
Equal.
She had, her answer was 1 more than mine. All right. 1, 2, 3. Go. Oh, I have a 4 and 2. Now, at some point, as children have done this along, they should be able to say, we both have a 4. She has a 4 and a 5. I have a 4 and a 2. So I don't even need to add them up. Just if I have the right number sense, I can say, obviously, she has more. Because
5.
this 4 cancels out,
These are
and
the
I
same.
know that 5 is more than 2. So that's when children are starting to do that, in their minds they're already being able to move to hold those numbers in their head and do that. But if not, then go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then take their second number. Mine is 2.
All right.
Oh, I don't like this comparison.
Woohoo!
Has quite a few
All
more than I
right.
do. Veronica, how many more do you have than me?
I have 1, 2, 3 more than you, Debbie.
She has 3 more than me. She has 9, and I have 6. 9 is 3 more than 6. Thanks, Veronica.
All right.
So that's just an example of how you would play war with 2 cards.
Another way you could work with them are with
2 colored beans.
2 colored beans. There we go.
So if you didn't see the other video about these are beans that Veronica spray painted. On one side she did blue, and on one side she did green, and there are 10 altogether. Again, really purposefully choosing the number 10 because we're trying to get children proficient in adding up to that. You could, earlier in the year, you might start with
just 5.
With 5, so they're seeing combinations of 5. So you shake it up, pour them out, and then you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Blue, 1, 2, 3, 4, green. So I'm knowing one combination of 10 is 6 and 4. Then we do it again, and this time I'm just going to do it in my hand. And we have 3 green, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now I know another combination of 10 is 3 and 7. And I actually would have a piece of paper and have children writing down these combinations of numbers.
That's exactly what I was thinking about.
So that they actually, they're looking at it.
Writing as well.
And practicing that, right, yeah.
And another way you can do addition and subtraction hands-on is something called bears in a cave. And so let's pretend these little pom-poms are my little family of bears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Debbie. And you and I are playing this game. This is our cave. I have some bears, and I'm going to put some in. We're working with 5. I'm going to put some in, and Debbie, there are 2 bears outside of the cave.
So now my challenge is to figure out how many bears are in the cave. And there's a couple of different ways that I might do that. I might say 1, 2, let's see, 3, 4, 5. And go, I had the 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so there must be 3. That would be one way to figure it out. And then we can check and see if that's correct.
All right.
1, 2, 3, absolutely. So again, learning number combinations. And then much later, children can be shown how to represent this in an abstract way.
Oh, exactly.